Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 6th of October, 2021. Hope you had a good trading week. Here's a look at the ES front-month futures contract. This is a daily chart of the broad market in futures form as we typically look at it. Just to be clear, there's ADP non-farm employment change number at 8:15, FOMC member speaking at 9, crude oil inventories at 10:30, and that's it. So it's a light day for economic data for the week. We won't get wrapped up in that. Trade balance was bigger than expected, but only by a little bit, so it's not like a huge deal. Obviously, the market looks like a little different than we've seen for a while. Like we were definitely breaking that uptrend. You can see it, and so we'll see that leads to. But obviously, things look pretty nasty, generally speaking. Here's a look at the crude oil numbers, up a penny, 78.94, but a new closing high, breaking out as we head into the winter. Gold down $2.80. Doesn't really matter there. S&P cash was up 45.26, so a rebound off of Monday's declining day. NASDAQ 100 up 202. That's a rebound also, recovering almost over half of what the loss was on Monday. So we're still down for the week, and none of this looks great, but it is what it is. The SOX up 47 points, well off the highs. The biotech's up 7, is what it is. Look again, this is a bear flag now on the biotech. So we cracked the lows of the last 2 days. It's in bad shape, and that's reality. The Russell up 10, still in the middle of no man's land. The Dow Jones Industrial Average up 311, recovering most of the loss from Monday. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down $1.40. Okay, advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 656. Advanced decline ratio on the New York plus 486. Trend closes at 0.75. Puts the 10-day moving average at 0.85. And again, I pointed this out the other day. We were going to drop a big number off the 10-day moving average today, and we got a low number. So remember, anything under 0.85 on that 10-day moving average is a sell signal on the broad market. Now, the thing is, the number that's going to drop off tomorrow is like a 0.75 to 0.72 number. So we'd have to get a lower reading than 0.72 to get the moving average down. But we're definitely right there. Doesn't look good. NASDAQ volume was only 4.1 billion shares. It's pretty light compared to what we've been seeing for the last week and a half. The VIX down $1.66 to 21.30. Apple gains $1.97 after selling off quite a bit since the highs. Amazon up 31.22. Again, that's kind of a blip on Amazon. Facebook up $6.73. Google up 47.27, but it was down quite a bit the other day. It did recover late Monday, and this puts it back basically almost even for the week. So nothing to see here, evidently. Goldman Sachs up 11.86. That's fine. Netflix up 31.46. That's a big gain for Netflix. Look at that cup and handle breakout there. Good construction. Tesla down 94 cents. Zoom down $2.46. Bitcoin 51,745. So that's a big number for Bitcoin. First closing, and there's a 13 sell signal though on Bitcoin. So remember, the 13 buy signal back in July, we bounced right off of that and ran. Now we have a 13 sell signal on Bitcoin. So let's be smart and pay attention to that a bit. All right, in terms of intraday action, let's take a look at the ES. Here's the 5-minute candles. So yeah, Monday was a small gap down on the ES, sold off, got the 13 buy signal at the low of the day, dead flat for the rest of the session. Tuesday, a small gap up, ran up, got the 13 sell signal right at the highs. That was the bottom or the high of the day. We didn't really go down until the last few minutes, but definitely is what it is. NASDAQ side, yeah, so the bigger down day on Monday, and you can see the 13 was the low of the day. Again, 13 buy signal, sell signal today. We never quite filled the gap on the NASDAQ, but we came close. So the ES filled the gap, the NASDAQ didn't. And so we're only down a small amount for the week so far. But again, there's a lot going on. Obviously, we've extended the debt ceiling until December. But if we don't fix that, that's a bigger problem. And I think the tech stocks are going to start to feel it. So we need a bigger solution. We need a whole solution for all this stuff. We need to obviously raise the debt ceiling because it doesn't matter. It's just a political game. If they want to print $1 trillion coin, they can. That'll solve some of the problems, and we'll go from there. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.